With its built-in tank, SCALA2 functions as an all-in-one integrated pressure boosting system. It's essential when installing the SCALA2 to ensure the pre-charge pressure is set correctly, ideally at 70% of the set point value desired discharge pressure and never above it. Grundfos recommends checking and adjusting the pre-charge pressure of the built-in tank annually to maintain optimal performance as air escapes over time, reducing the pressure. To pre-charge the pressure tank, start by stopping SCALA2 by pressing the Stop button. Then depressurize the system by closing off the supply pipe and opening the tap. Now unscrew the air valve cap. Pump in air until the desired pressure is reached, which should be 70% of the set point value, and remount and tighten the air valve cap firmly on the tank valve so no air can escape over time. Open the supply cutoff valve again and turn on SCALA2. Maintaining proper pre-charge pressure is crucial to avoid issues such as noisy operation, fluctuating pressure, increased risk of damage, and higher energy consumption.